After that, we discuss what is a sugar. Sugar are found naturally in fruits, sugarcane, and milk. Excess carbohydrates in the body are converted by the body fats and stored. Food rich in sugar just like chocolate and soft drinks. Chocolate, candies, cakes, and soft drinks. Fats. Like carbohydrates, fats are compounds made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Fats are basically made up of three compounds carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. In have fats have less oxygen proportion to hydrogen. You just like in this picture. Fat gives more than twice the energy as the same amount of carbohydrates. However, too much fat in our body can lead to health problems like heart diseases. Fat from animal can be found butter, lard meat, cheese, and milk. Food containing fat, like in your picture, just like milk, oil, butter, meat, etc. After that, we discuss protein. Protein consists of long chain of amino acids, which are made up of elements carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Proteins are made up of four compounds. You just see in your picture carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. The main function of protein is to build the cell, tissues, enzymes, and hormones. Deficiency in proteins result the disease called kwashiorkor. Just like in your picture, it's a disease, the deficiency of the protein which are occurring in your body. Next picture is food containing protein. You see in your picture is just like a fish, meat, milk, butter, grains. All are have the food containing proteins. All are have the most proteins. After that, we discuss fiber. Fiber or roughage is made up of cellulose, which cannot be broken down by our bodies. Without fiber in the diet, one may suffer by constipation. Source of dietary fiber you look in your picture, they are the different vegetables, different fibers which have the most fiber things. After that, we discuss vitamins. Vitamins are needed in small amount by our bodies for health and growth. Lack of vitamins, you feel the diseases, scurvy and rickets. You see in the next page or next slide in the picture, these diseases are the scurvy and these diseases are the rickets. Scurvy means bleeding gums, and rickets stunt growth and softening of bones and teeth. After that, we discuss minerals. Minerals are substances needed by the body in the tiny amount of proper growth and development. Some important minerals, their function and food sources are in the picture. First is calcium. Its function is for building strong bones and teeth, for muscles growth and contraction, for clotting of blood. Food sources, dairy products, green vegetables, eggs, etc. Next is iron, for making hemoglobin, the red pigment in the red blood cell. Deficiency lead to anemia. Food sources, liver, meat, eggs, green vegetables. After that, next is iodine, for making hormones of the thyroid gland. Deficiency lead to goiter, a swelling of the thyroid gland in the lower neck. You see in food sources, seafood, seaweed, green vegetable, just like. After that is sodium, for regulation of our body fluids. Too much sodium leads to high blood pressure, and food source is common salt. Water. Without water, we will die very quickly. Water makes up about 70% of our body mass. It is needed for breaking down food, dissolving nutrition, and transporting them our bodies. Fruits and vegetables are rich in water. You see in the next slide. These are the different fruits and vegetables which are the rich in water. Watermelon, banana, orange, apple, and so on. At last, you attempt the question number 1 on your notebook and solve on the same pattern. Yeah, write on the same pattern. Class work, day and date, chapter number 1, topic, food and digestion, and subtopic is question answer. Question number 1 is, what does food provide us with? Food provides us with energy to do work and carry out the vital function in our bodies. The material needed for the growth of new cell and repair the damaged cell. Substance that our bodies needed for health and resisting diseases. Thank you.